Have you ever wondered why we can't divide by 0? It's one of those rules that everyone knows but only few people understand the mathematics behind it. Let's break it down. When we divide one number by another number, we mean how many times does the denominator fit into the numerator. For example, 10 divided by 5 means how many times does 5 fit into 10. But what happens when we try to divide by 0, like 10 divided by 0? What we are really asking is how many times does 0 fit into 10? Is the answer infinity? No. For example, consider dividing 5 by 0. Suppose the answer is x. This would mean 0 multiplied by x should give us 5. Therefore, we would need to find a number that when multiplied by 0 gives us 5. But we all know no matter what number we multiply by 0, we will always get 0 and not 5. Therefore, there is no such number. That's why division by 0 is undefined. Look at the division by 0 on a graph. Here's the graph of y is equal to 1 over x. As x gets closer to 0 from the positive side, the value of y skyrockets towards infinity. So people say 1 divided by 0 is infinity, but infinity isn't a real number we can work with in regular arithmetic, and because there is no single value that we can assign 1 over 0 as we saw earlier, so it's undefined. Another case is 0 by 0 form. As before, this would mean 0 multiplied by x should give 0. But we know any number multiplied by 0 gives us 0. So there are infinite sized numbers x which when multiplied by 0 would give us 0. Therefore, there is no unique answer to this which fits this equation, and hence 0 by 0 form is said to be an indeterminate form in mathematics. So now you know division by 0 is a big no-no in mathematics.